Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today we'll be doing a flexibility and stretch flow routine. This will be great if you've been working sitting down for a while. Maybe your hip flexors a little tight, a little sore. We are gonna loosen them up today, so why don't you just spend a couple minutes with me, find yourself a flat surface, a little quiet space, and let's get flexible. We are gonna be doing 3 sets. I know that sounds like a lot, but the first set is gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating these stretches as you follow along, while those next 2 sets will be a more complete run through of all of them, because by then you'll know exactly what you're doing. So without further ado, let's jump right into our first stretch. We are gonna kick it off with some dynamic hip circles. Now again, if you've been sitting all day, your hip flexors are gonna be very tight, so what we're gonna be doing is putting your feet a little past shoulder width apart. You can do hands on the hip if you like, and we are just going to be taking our time putting our hips through a full rotation. We're gonna go all the way to one side, then all the way up front, then all the way to the other side, then all the way to the back. And then when you put it together, it forms a hip circle. Look at that. So we're gonna do 30 seconds, 15 seconds both sides, and here we go. Now this is a great one. Again, if you just want to loosen up your hip flexors, it's very gentle on them, so you're not like staying in a static position where you can actually like tear or like injure yourself. So we're just gonna turn, and then you're just gonna go 15 seconds the other way. Just like that. Couple more seconds. And done. Next, we have the standing quad stretch. Now, again, sometimes your quads right here can get very tight, very sore. So what we wanna do is just get ourselves in a position where we can lengthen them and soothe them and really help them out. So if you need to, if your balance is a little off, you can grab onto something, but the goal is we are going to be lifting our leg behind us, grabbing our ankle, and we're really just trying to stretch all up in here. So we want to stand nice and tall as we stretch. We'll be switching halfway through once again. So here we go. And again, being able to stretch out, like I said, your hip flexors right up in here. So we already did some hip circles nice and loosen them up. Now this is just gonna help ease everything as well. Just want to be nice, tall, just like this. And let's switch to our other side. Grab the other leg. Really just pull. Make sure you're just breathing into your hip flexor, into your quad. Nice breath in, nice breath out. Just like that. 3, 2, 1, and release. Honestly, my legs feel amazing right now just with those 2 exercises, but we have 2 more, and here we go. We have the forward bend. It's basically, we're just kind of like building up onto our hips and everything like that. So what we want to do is stand feet run shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. The goal is we want to flat back, and all we're doing is hinging from our hips. You just want to get as far down as we can, because we're going to be stretching our hamstrings, our back as well. So try not to round yourself down. Try not to like flex like this. You just want to have a straight flat back. What I like to do is have my hands behind me and almost act as a guide to keep my back flat. So once I reach right where I feel the stretch, I just stay, and then I come right back up and right back down. So let's put 30 seconds, go at your own pace. Again, this is more gentle, this is a flow. You know, we're not trying to like get a huge sweat on, we're just trying to release all that tension that we've had in our body all day. So here we go. So just right down. You're gonna feel it in your hamstrings, you're gonna feel it in your back. Just like that. We stretch the hips, we stretch the quads, now we're doing the hamstrings and the lower back. What's not to love? A couple more seconds. 3, 2, let's do one more. Here we go, hold it, hold it, hold it, and release. I'm telling you, I feel amazing already, but we're not done yet. We have one more. We are going to be doing standing side bends. This is going to help loosen up all this stuff of our body, or parts of our body. To put this down so I don't knock it off. We got 30 seconds. Again, stand tall. You know the drill. We're just going to be reaching from one side Get that stretch all up in here, and then coming right back up and reaching down with the other side. Make sure you're breathing through this whole thing. 30 seconds, and here we go. Just reach all the way down. Just like that. We're just trying to loosen up our hips. You know, sitting down too long can definitely make you very stiff and static and rigid. So we're just trying to undo all of that. Just like that, down. Really reach. Try to reach past your knee if you can. Let's do one more each side. Here we go. And release. Great job. See, that was your first set. Wasn't that fun? I feel very loose, very dynamic, if you will. So we're gonna jump right into that second set. Like I said, you know what you're doing now. You don't need me to explain it. You got this. So let's just take these next few minutes just to really focus on our flexibility, our core, stretching, flow, all of that. And we're doing hip circles. 3, 2, 1. Job. Standing quad stretch. Forward bends. Here we go. Good job. Last, standing sides. Oof. There you have it. That was your second set done. Let's just jump right into a third set if you feel so inclined. I think you got this. My body already feels very loose, but let's just go ahead and do a third set. Come on. We're gonna go ahead with those dynamic hip circles in 3, 2, 1, again. Job. Standing quad stretch. forward bends. Here we go. Good job. Last, standing sides. And that's it. That was our flexibility and stretch flow routine. I hope you liked it as much as I did. My hips, my whole upper body, lower body, everything feels nice and loose, so I can go right into my evening without any pain or like nagging injuries and things like that. So I recommend definitely doing some sort of stretching or flexibility routine. Weekly at the very least, daily if you can. But again, we just want to be able to move freely. It's not always about just like throwing weight around or doing a bunch of cool exercises. We just want to make sure our body can do what it was designed to do, which is move. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. I am Coach Greg. I will see you on the next video. Peace.